Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So when you hold your finger on it, nothing happens. When you tap on it once, recording starts immediately. So like here you can switch your microphone. Here you can enable or disable screen touches. So if you enable it, you can see this small ball following my finger, so you can show where you tap on the screen on recording. So when you're done recording, just tap on this middle button here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, videos, and also screenshots. It will be in both of these albums. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete this video, or perform other actions from this list. Switch your microphone. Here you can enable or disable screen touches, so if you enable it, you can. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.